I'm Robin Clevitt. You're joining me on the 101 uses of a multi-tool on tour. Now this really does annoy me. We've all got a door that gets stuck. Now this particular door, I can't shoulder barge it. It doesn't open inwards, it's got to come outwards. And no matter how much I try, it's just not wanting to budge. So I'm going to use a 63mm rapid wood blade to ease that leading edge up there in situ, and that should get the door open for me so I can get it repainted. So it's pretty unconventional using a multi-tool to ease a door, but in this situation, other than ripping the handle off, I really don't think I would have got in. So now I can get in, I can smooth it back off, prime it, and get it coated up, ready for another autumn. Thanks for joining me on the 101 uses of a multi-tool on tour. I'm Robin Clevitt. See you again soon.